Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Contacts app. This is the only reliable mobile view for Gmail contacts. You should use the same Google account that holds your address book. That matters because Contacts reads the account database directly. Once done, tap the account avatar to switch accounts and make sure Sync is enabled in Settings, Accounts, Google Sync Contacts. This guarantees contacts appear and update in real time rather than relying on cached or third-party lists. Now navigate. You use the account drop-down at the top left to choose that Gmail account. This filters results to only those contacts. Once selected, tap Labels to surface groups created in Gmail because labels mirror Gmail contact groups and make locating lists fast. Use the search bar for names or email fragments. Contacts also provides merge suggestions for duplicates. Make sure to review merged entries so you keep the best data, since merging changes how contacts display across devices. Finish by confirming everything synced and looks correct. Pull down to refresh or go to Settings, Accounts, Google, and tap Sync now. If contacts still don't appear, clear the Contacts app cache or open Contacts. Google.com in a browser to verify they exist on the server. This distinguishes app issues from account issues. If you see duplicates or missing fields, review merge suggestions or export a CSV from the web to import corrections. One tip: if sync fails, toggling the account off then on often resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.